It was all thanks to my 10-year-old son. Only recently, when I realized that I think it's only like 18 weeks till I turn 50. And even though I feel like I have done so much of this inner work, there's a part of me that's really totally freaking out about it. And I'm not freaking out about it in the way that you think I might be. I'm freaking out because I don't feel as good as I did when I was 49 or like last year. And the reason why is because I had fallen out of the habit of really caring deeply for myself. So I am going on this little bit of a journey of reusing all of the tools that I know about instead of just knowing them and not doing them, and regaining my radiance. So I feel like I wake up feeling amazing and that I'm not waking up tired and exhausted every day and flat and blah, funky, right? I want to wake up feeling amazing because just because we turn a certain age does not mean that we have miraculously started to go downhill. That is bullshit, right? What it is your body needs something different and you're not listening to it. So I was taken for a massive virus over the holidays and I have finally learnt my lesson. Sometimes I can be a slow learner, sometimes I'm very quick. And I am resetting everything to so that I can feel absolutely amazing in September when I hit 50. So I'd love for you to join my series, come along the journey with me, share what you're doing. I'd love to know how old you are, what kind of things what resonate with you, and if you've got any questions about what I'm going to do. See you in the series.